What if I told you that the biggest crisis facing teens today isn't anxiety or grades or screen addiction, but something far quieter? Something you only feel at night when the phone is off and the room is silent. What if the real epidemic is loneliness? Let me ask you, when was the last time you made a new friend? Not a follower, not a gamer tag, a real friend. Someone you could call at 2 a.m. without thinking twice. If your mind goes blank, you're not alone. In the US and UK, researchers are calling it the Friendship Recession. Teens have fewer close friends than any generation in history. But here's the twist. What if making friends wasn't some mysterious talent you're either born with or not? What if it's a science, a skill set, one you can rebuild step by step? Today, I'll show you how. 1. Why teens are lonelier than ever. Let's be brutally honest. Most teens today didn't lose social skills. They simply didn't practice them. During the pandemic years, digital communication replaced real conversations. Your brain adapted. It got efficient at texting, scrolling, reacting, but less confident at holding eye contact or starting conversations. Think of social skills like muscles. If you stop using them, they don't break. They just weaken. The good news? Like muscles, they can be rebuilt. But not through just be confident or go talk to people. No, that doesn't work. You need tools, not vague advice. You need a system. So here are the 3 most powerful, research-backed tools to rebuild your ability to connect with anyone. Tool number 1. Active listening, the underestimated superpower. Most people don't listen. They wait for their turn to talk. Active listening flips that. It means you pay attention to their words. You reflect the emotion behind them. You respond in a way that shows, I see you, I hear you. Why does it work? Because humans are wired for validation. When someone feels understood, they instantly feel closer to you. Here's the simple formula. Listen, label, lead. Example. Someone says, school is stressful. You respond, sounds like you're overwhelmed. What's been the hardest part? This does 2 things. Confirms their emotion, opens the door for deeper conversation. People naturally bond with those who understand them, not those who impress them. If you master active listening, you become magnetic in any social environment. Tool number 2, mirroring. The psychology trick every great communicator uses. This is not copying. Mirroring is matching someone's tone, pace, energy level, and emotional intensity. Think of it as creating social harmony. If someone talks softly, don't shout. If someone is excited, lean into that excitement. If someone is nervous, slow down and ground the conversation. Mirroring works because of a brain system called mirror neurons, the same mechanism behind empathy. When you align with someone's state, their brain labels you as similar, which instantly increases trust. Practical use cases: when meeting someone for the first time, when trying to reduce awkwardness, when you want the conversation to feel natural, not forced. The best communicators don't dominate the room. They match the room, then guide the energy forward. Tool number 3. Strategic vulnerability, the shortcut to real connection. Here's a truth nobody tells teens. You don't bond through perfection. You bond through shared humanity. Vulnerability doesn't mean trauma dumping or oversharing. It means sharing something small but real. Example. I'm bad at starting conversations, but I'm trying to get better. That's enough. It signals authenticity. It opens the door for others to be real too. The formula is simple. Vulnerability, relatability, trust. In a world full of highlight reels, authenticity stands out. Use vulnerability in doses. Admit small insecurities. Share a personal challenge. Talk about something you're working on. People resonate with honesty far more than perfection. 2. The social skill. Loop, how to rebuild confidence. Friendship isn't built by theory, it's built by reps. Just like going back to the gym after years, your first attempts will feel awkward. That's normal. Here's the loop. Initiate. Say something small, a compliment, a comment about the environment, A question. Engage use active listening and mirroring. Follow the thread of the conversation. Reveal. Offer a small piece of vulnerability. Something honest. Invite suggest a next step. A coffee, study session, gaming night. Run this loop consistently, and your social skills will rebuild faster than you expect. 3. Practical scenarios. Teens face, and how to win each one. A. Meeting someone new at school. Use the environment as the opener. Did you understand what the teacher meant by that last point? Then active listening. Oh, so you're struggling with math too? Same here. Then vulnerability. I'm trying to get better this year, though. Instant connection. B. Talking to someone shy mirror their slow pace. Ask gentle, open-ended questions. Give them space. They'll appreciate you more than the loudest person in the room. C. Breaking out of a social slump. Set a goal. 1 social rep per day. Compliment 1 stranger. Start 1 conversation. Ask 1 question. Skills grow through frequency, not intensity. Here's the question you've been waiting for. How do I actually make real friends in a world where everyone feels distant? The answer is, you don't wait for the perfect group. You don't wait for people to approach you. You don't wait to feel confident. You build friendships the same way you build strength. Through consistent reps of small actions, backed by a clear strategy. Connection isn't luck. It's not destiny. It's not something only charismatic people have. It's a skill. A learnable, repeatable, and a scientific skill. And in a world drowning in loneliness, the person who knows how to connect becomes the rarest, most valuable presence. So start small. Start today. Because the friendship recession ends one decision at a time. And it starts with you.